Jai Jagannath. Mardala is a percussive instrument native to the East Indian state of Odisha. It is traditionally used as primary instrument in the ancient classical music of the state, that is Udra Padhatiya Sangita. We have tried to develop a clear rhythmic or tala system for Udra Padhatiya Sangit. It will be also helpful to Odissi dance students, Palakaras, or devotional singers and researchers of Odisha. This is an innovative application that lets you sing or practice song anywhere, anytime. We have added some talas. You can download this application from your Play Store. Just follow some simple steps to avail this. After installing the application on mobile screen, click on Image Mardala. You can select a tala and your scale from the list provided and practice your music. You can also adjust the volume and speed of the rhythm. Thank you.